If you don't know the components of what you're selling, how the hell can you sell it? These are called what? Lally columns. There's a difference between a permanent lolly column and a temporary lolly column. This is a permanent lolly column. It's bolted into the ground and it's bolted into the beam. There's temporary columns, and some of you may have seen them before. They have cranks. People use them just to get support for the near term. They're like screwed into the ground, but there's like a crank somewhere in the middle with like 3 little holes here, and that just cranks it in case they need to raise it or lower it. Typically nobody messes with it, but a permanent and temporary lolly column come up a lot on home inspections. If it's temporary, the fix is easy. Have a contractor come out, install a permanent lolly column, and they could just leave the temporary one. Because a lot of times the home inspector will be like, oh, you need permanent lolly column. It's not a big deal, a couple $100 per column.
They're also hollow, so it'll melt if there's a fire, so that's why it's illegal.
So don't let a deal die over a lolly column.